Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the indelible one, the only DVL Nicks
in the house.
a.k.a.
The Rainmaker.
Yes, I tell you, yes. And of course, we've got our Serengeti specialist, DBL Moms.
Hey!
Oh, you could do better than that, DBL Moms. DBL Moms!
Hey!
There we go. That's what we're looking for. Right there. Right there. That's the flavor right there. Doubles. That's the flavor. Yeah. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, and do what this young man says. I really strongly suggest you do it. Go ahead.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded, and remember to share.
Because sharing is caring. It helps the stream grow, and as the stream grows, we can put out more content for y'all. So go ahead and share that stream. Let's do a share party right off the bat. Right off the bat, I tell you. Right off the bat. Yeah. Okay. What else, Doubles? What else? You probably want to follow us on Twitter, x.com, @CoachNickMoney.
@CoachNickMoney.
@CoachNickMoney. Nobody puts content out on the X like we do. Nobody. From 4 o'clock in the morning all the way down to 8 o'clock in the evening and then some. Check it out. It's @CoachNickMoney.
@CoachNickMoney.
@CoachNickMoney. And of course, we're also on Facebook and Instagram @CoachNickMoney.
@CoachNickMoney.
And of course, we're also on TikTok @DBLNicks.
@DBLNicks.
@DBLNICKS. And of course, we're also on Twitch @CoachNickMoney.
@CoachNickMoney.
Yeah. And of course, we're going to be streaming live on the social media platforms this morning. But at 9:45 a.m.-ish, more or less, we're going to go and stream in our private Discord. And you are politely and pleasantly invited to come and join us. We have a link in the description for a 4-day trial. It's also in the pinned comment for $1.99. 4-day trial for $1.99. You can see the live streaming that we do in there. You obviously get all the alerts that we put out. All the baggers that we put out early, way early. Come on. No 10% runners, dog.
No 10%.
No. Like, for example, we called NMHI super early before it ran 122%.
20%.
OTRK before it ran 102%.
100.
A cup and handle, and right now it's forming a bearish head and shoulders right over here, and it is pulling back, and it is extended off of the VWAP. We can see the 9 EMA is pulling downward. So for now, all right, you ran up. You did a nice 122%er. I get it. I understand. But right now you have an irregular head and shoulders pattern. You're pulling back. And what have you done for me lately? Come on now. You got to do better than that. Let's go. What else we got? Doubles? What else we got? How about the microfloat teaser ADTX? That stock just has like such a low float. It's generally a hot mess. I got to be honest with you. Right now it's 18%. Did they have news? They finally had some news. Let's see. They complete third parent equity investment under amended and restated merger agreement with EvoFem. That was 8:15 in the morning, but they're only up 18%. Float is so low, 89,000, but the volume is 2.7 million. But it just, I don't know. It's trying to do like maybe possibly a descending wedge. Could it be, Doubles? Could it be a bull reversal descending wedge? Maybe. I don't know. It's coiling. It just needs volume, I tell you. It doesn't even need a lot of volume because it's a low floater. It's like a micro mini skirt up to its neck. Low floater. So we'll see what happens. It's trying to break VWAP. VWAP's right around $1.75. Doubles, let's get the graffiti pencil. It's trying to form a bottom tail over here, right over there. I don't know. It just doesn't have a lot of volume. Right over here, this candle is telling me 28,000 shares, not a lot of volume, and it's forming a doji. So we don't like that, but it is a descending wedge, and it's trying to hold VWAP. So we'll put you on a side chart. Why not? A side chart. Let's go to Viri, V-I-R-I. Viri doesn't have a lot of volume in it. Doubles, not a lot. You can see that the candles are kind of staccato and choppy as it approaches VWAP. We got the graffiti pencil activated already. VWAP's roughly just below 20 cents. Below 20 cents, folks. So we'll see. We'll have a lot of volume right now. OTRK, early morning runner. Let's go check it out. OTRK. OTRK. I don't know. Looks like Viri. Wow. Looks like they're simpatico. They're running in sympathy almost. It's trying to form a double bottom over here. It is below VWAP. Money mark. Not a lot of volume on this. Okay. All right. We'll check it out. Oh, my. Maybe. Let's say. We got a key level right over here, so we'll put that out there. Key level at 59 cents. Couldn't make it up there. We have resistance at 33.8. 33.8 would be right around how? Right there's your resistance. And I'd like to see it stay above this level over here if it can. Can it stay up? Can it give us an A, B, C, D? Can it be an A, B, C, D? It's trying to do a bottom tail, folks. Folks, it's a bottom tail. You know we find bottom tails very schmaxy. But there's just not a lot of volume on this right now. Only 666,000 shares. Come on now. You got a heavy float. You need to pump it. You need to pump it, baby. And it's moving for a new high. It's pushing. 126. Ladies and gentlemen, 126. 126%. We're waiting. It's at the 34-cent mark. It's forming a top tail. We don't like the top tails. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles.
5 minute.
Let's see what the 5-minute shows us. The 5-minute shows us a terrible top tail. We don't like top tails.
Like now
it's a kind of a doji. We need this to become a bottom tail. Can it be a bottom tail? It's turning red. We don't like that. Losing momentum. I don't know. It's like trying to do a breakout at this level, but struggling on the 5-minute. It looks better on the 1 minute, but it doesn't look so good on the 5-minute. You know what I mean?
5 minute.
We need some more volume on this sucker. We're going to keep an eye on it because it is moving. What's the story? It's 20 million float. Volume's 8 million, so it added about 3 million since we started looking at it. And they had some positive news with a headline. So, I don't know. We'll put it on a side chart, maybe doubles. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. ALCE.
ALCE.
I'm going to keep an eye on it because I think it might surprise us if we move away from it. It's trying to form that bottom tail doubles. If it turns green, oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my. It's turning green. Oh my. Are we going to have a test of a new high? Oh my. It needs to break that resistance level right over there. Right there. 337. It broke it. Oh my. The humanity of it. Top tail again. We're watching. Is it going to pump and pump? Is it going to push and push? Will it hold the level of 337? It did not hold. It didn't hold. Oh, well. All right. Side chart.
Side chart.
You broke my heart. Alice. Alice. Is that the name? Is it Alice? I don't even know. Alice? Leading gainer right now. This one right here. This is the leading gainer right over here. Buru. Let's go to Buru.
Buru.
I'm going to keep an eye on Alice. Can I call it Alice? Oh, wait a minute. It's pumping. It's pushing. Oh, my. 138. You see your little sneak. I moved away, and you pushed and pushed. You're pumping and pumping. 36 cents doubles. 136%. 136%. New high. 36 cents right over here. Resistance at 36 cents. It looks like it wants to test the game. It's testing it. 140. Ladies and gentlemen, 141%. 141%. Ladies and gentlemen, can we get a 200? Can we get a 200 doubles?
Can we get it?
We want 200%. Can we get 200? I know you're extended. I get it. I could see it on the 5-minute. Look at that. Like a rocket ship. Like a rocket ship, I tell you. Extended. Of course it needs to pull back. I get it. But you're the only show in town right now. You're the only show in town. Come on. Bottom tail. That's one hell of a wick, though. Look at that. Wow. What a drop down to VWAP. That makes this very scary to trade. Holy moly. Wow.
Moly.
Wow. Did you see this bottom wick over here?
That bottom wick.
Oh, no. Come on now. You're on a side chart. You're on a, because you do nasty things, you know? You do, like, I don't know. You do things that are very, very, very frightening to me.
Nasty.
Yeah, you're scaring me. ALCE, you're scaring me. OTRK.
OTRK.
Still sub VWAP. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can find something else. Let's see if we can find something else. We're looking. We're looking. We're checking out what's going on. Checking out. How about IBG? That's another one that was running earlier in the morning. IGB. Is it IGB or IBG? IBG. I got it backwards. There goes my dyslexia. Oh my.
Oh
I need some espresso ice, yo. For real. For real, for real. All right. IBG, sub VWAP, curling.
Curl.
Trying to break that downtrend. What's the story with this? Innovation Beverage Group, through Cisco, the global leader in food service distribution, announces Australian bitters now available nationwide in the U.S. This was at 7:30 in the morning. Float 6 million. But there's only no, that's the volume. 6 million is the volume. We don't know what the float is. Is this a recent IPO? I don't know. I don't know. We don't have it. We don't have it. But it's curling. It's sub VWAP. Back to Alice. She's making some noise. She's noisy. Alice, you're being noisy. You're being a little bit of a sneak. I'm just saying. I turn my back on you and you show up like this. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we get the graffiti pencil and we could say that you're doing a little bit of an uptrend. That's a pretty steep uptrend. You could break your neck on that one if you don't. If you're not careful. You got to be careful when you climb the stairs. Make sure you get into that chair, the electric chair that brings you upstairs. It's pushing. It's pumping. Double top. 146. 146%, ladies and gentlemen. It's testing the high of day. It needs some volume. Oh my, it looks like it wants to break through 76, 121,000 shares. I don't know. Can it hold this level? It's like very choppy, doubles. Very choppy. It is clearly the leading gainer of the morning. 146%. Ladies and gentlemen, 146% extended. Holding the 35.93 level. Ever so gently. Barely. Moving slowly. I don't know. It was looking kind of schmexy, and now not so schmexy. We could see that the RSI is overbought. We can see that the candles are starting to diminish in size and turn red. So, as long as it stays above this trend line, doubles, if it could stay above this trend line, we might have some extra sauce, some special sauce, you know what I mean? Espresso ice time. My oh my. I don't know. It just lost momentum. I don't know what happened over here. This candle, and it's funny because this candle's got like 1 million shares. How about this one? 100,000. It's pushing. A little bit of a pullback. A, B, C, D. Can we get an A, a B, a C, a D? Could we get that? Could we? We're looking. It's going to make another play for the high of day, 37.14. A little bit of a bottom tail, a baby one. It's pushing. We're watching. Can it ignite itself? Can it do a squeezy?
Nice and easy.
You know what we like. We like squeezies nice and easy. We don't like top tails. Stop it.
The bottom tail.
Stop it. Turn around. Stay above the trend line. Doesn't look like it wants to. I don't know. A lot of red candles in the volume. I don't know. Looks like it's going to pull back. All right, Alice. We'll talk to you later. You're looking a little sloppy now, A little sloppy. Buru. We are going to keep an eye on Alice because Alice has this wonderful habit of popping up at the last moment. You know what I mean? Buru is still consolidating below VWAP. Not interesting at all. NMHI ran early in the morning, but now it looks like a little bit of a hot mess. It had formed a cup and a handle. It broke out. But now, what have you done for me lately? You have formed a head and shoulders irregular pattern. You have been breaking down ever since. You're below the VWAP. Let's put the graffiti pencil at the VWAP, 2632. And so far, you have not broken through the VWAP. We could see that the 9 EMA continues to point downward. Shame on you. Shame on you, NMHI. Is it wrong to shame a stock? I don't know. But I feel like doing that. BPTH. Let's go check it out. All right, folks. All right, so this has formed somewhat of a double bottom, kind of, sort of, an irregular one. There's not a heck of a lot of volume on it. You can see that the candles look staccato. It's trying to break through the VWAP. VWAP is right over here at $1.20. $1.26 doubles, but not a lot of volume. I mean, meh.
Man.
Float 2.4 million, volume 23 million. Biopath Holdings initiates development of therapeutic programs for treatment of obesity. This stock has a history of flushing. I remember this, so I gotta be very careful. I don't want to get hurt by BPTH. It could hurt my feelings. You know what I mean? How about the micro mini skirt float ADTX? Looked like it was forming a descending wedge, but that descending wedge became invalid. So we're gonna get all that drawing out of here. Out of here, I tell you. Get out of here. You're below VWAP. Now you're bearish. You need to break this downtrend. What's wrong with you? Sometimes you got to be a little tough with these stocks, you know? Come on. You got a 79, 89,000 float. Come on. You got to do better than that. Got to do better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, we got to get over 100 people watching. Come on. Let's share. Come on. I need some motivation. Let's go. Let's share party. Come on, let's share it. Let's get a ton of people in here. Come on. I know it's been slow, but now we got a couple of 100% runners already. Come on, we almost had a 200% runner. Come on now. We got to get some folks in here, get some energy. Energy makes these stonks move, baby. Oh, I don't know if that's really true, but it sounds good, right?
Yeah.
I'm like, trying to motivate the stonks, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Motivate them. Put them under pressure. Let them know that there's the indelible pride watching them. They're being watched. Break this downtrend, ADTX. I'm telling you, do it. It's good for you. Let's go. What else we got? Let me at him. Doubles. Bushy tail. You see anything? How about MYND? MYND. No. Not enough volume, I tell you. ALCE trying to move up again. LACE trying to move up. ALCE trying to move up a little bit, but it looks bearish. Let's go to the 5-minute doubles.
5 minute.
And when we move it to the 5 minutes, let's go and check it out. It broke that uptrend. It broke the trend. So let's get rid of that drawing. And recalibrate what's going on over here. Let's go. Get rid of that trend line. So what we got over here is the makings of a potential pennant on the 5-minute chart doubles.
5 minute.
We got this going on over here, and we got this going on over here. So this could be a potential pennant. However, my concerns are that you have a terrible top over here, and a top over here, and a top over here. So this could be a head and shoulders, but if the price action can remain above this trend line and break through this level right here of 36 cents, we might be cooking with some grease. Maybe. We'll keep an eye on you, ALCE. You are the leading gainer. You have news, but your float is a little on the thick side. Don't think I didn't notice that. I know that you're only 37 cents. I get it, and I kind of give you a little bit of a pass, but you still have a 20 million float. I'm just saying. And your volume is starting to kick up a bit, 21 million. I like that, but you need a lot more than that. I know it's pre-market. I get it. I understand. But if you could give us an ABCD off of this pennant, that would be very nice. We'll check you out in a little bit. You need volume. I tell you. You need it. You need it. OTRX. Let's go check that one out. OTRX, a little espresso ice for me. No, doubles. Look at what I see over here. A double top right over here.
Yeah.
Top over here. Terrible top. Terrible double tops. No. You need to break this downtrend. You understand? All right? Don't embarrass us, okay? We got company. I got the Sanka, the Entenmann's cake. Come on. Come on. I got company over here. What are you doing? The indelible pride is watching. Break the downtrend, why don't you? I know you went up 100%, 102% early in the morning. I know that because we called you before you ran. I know that because that's what we do, doubles. Hashtag no 10% runners, folks. No. None of that rookie stuff. VIRI. Let's check it out. Man. I don't know, doubles. What do you think? It's below VWAP. Kind of sloppy. I mean, you know, maybe it could form a pennant. I don't know. Got to really stay above this line over here. This is being very optimistic. It doesn't have a lot of volume.
No. No.
Do they have news? Let's see. No, neutral recommendation issued on Viri by H.C. Wainwright. Floats heavy, but this is a 19-cent stock. 24 million, volume 27 million. If it could stay above this trend line over here, right over here, it might become schmexy, but it doesn't have a lot of volume, doubles. It doesn't have a lot of volume. Look at this candle. Look at this candle. 4,400 shares. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get volume and then talk to me. Get volume and then talk to me. That's what I'm saying. Right, doubles?
Yeesh.
Yeesh. Yeesh. Back to Alice. ALCE.
ALCE.
That's not really, I mean, you can't really call it Alice, right? It would be like Alchie?
Alce.
Alchie. 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 And it's trying to stay above the trend line. We have a pennant over here as well, but we do have a double top formation right here, or a head and shoulders, right? Because this could be a head, this could be a shoulder, this could be a shoulder. So if it doesn't maintain this upward trend line, we could have a flusheroo. I'm trying to be positive, doubles. I'm trying to be positive, but
Yes.
it does look like a head and shoulders pattern, and it's having difficulty maintaining this uptrend. But it is the leading gainer, so we're going to keep an eye on it. But right now, it seems to be pulling downward. You can see that the RSI is starting to move downward. There's still a lot of real estate over here for it to continue to trend downward towards the oversold area. We can see that volume candles are diminishing. So this is probably more of a head and shoulders pattern, and we're probably going to see a flusheroo over here. I'm hoping that it doesn't go below the VWAP. The VWAP is right around over here. Graffiti pencil has been activated, folks. 3273 is the VWAP. So let's see what happens. The one thing that concerns me about this stock, doubles, I'm going to tell you.
Yes.
See this candle right here?
Yeesh.
This is a very scary candle because before it recovered, it dropped massively. So this makes this stock very, very scary right now.
Yeesh.
Scary. It needs volume to not be scary. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if it can hold up. Right now, it's having difficulty staying above the trend line. So we're gonna have to go to another ticker. How about TNXP?
TNXP.
Here we go. TNXP. Okay, let's clear the chart a little bit. Let's clear the old drawings. Let's do that. All right, it formed a triple top, doubles. What's the story with this? It's a 17-cent stock, up 17%. They announced an AI collaboration with XChem to develop broad-spectrum antivirals. The float is 20 million. The volume under 10 million, and it has formed a terrible triple top. We don't like triple tops.
You like triple bottom.
And double bottoms and bottom tails.
Yeesh.
Yes, that's what we like. We are bottom tail aficionados, actually, to be honest with you. And this is not what we like. So, I don't know. I'm not feeling this one at all. No. Not looking like that. I'm not. No. How about we get another one? Let's see. How about MYND?
MYND.
Let's go check it out. Not enough volume at 108. Let's see if there's a story behind this particular ticker. Does it have a story, doubles? Let's see.
Let's see.
There's no volume on it. It's under $1. Closes $20 million sale of non-strategic business unit and announces additional strategic actions to enhance operations, strengthen cash position, and drive long-term shareholders. But it has no volume. The volume is only 17,000, and the float is 26 million. So it's not moving. Nobody's paying attention to you. You know what they're paying attention to? They're paying attention to Alice. Alice is back above the trend line again.
Is back in Wonderland.
Can we see a breakout? Folks, if it breaks out, let's do a share party. And if it doesn't break out, let's do a share party anyway.
Yay.
Come on now. Let's get some folks in here. Let's get it to 200. Ladies and gentlemen, share if you don't mind. Salute. I'm going to have some espresso ice. Reloaded. Let's go. Let's go, doubles. Let's go. Reloaded. Here we go again. BPTH trying to test VWAP. Let's go. BPTH. This has a history of doing flusheroos, so I'm a little concerned about BPTH. because it has a history of doing the old flusheroos. You can see that it's moving on relatively low volume. It's trying to test the VWAP. It's trying to test the VWAP. But you know what? I'm going to put you on a side shot, Doubles. Side shot. Yeah. This is a heavy floated stock that's on the scanner. Let's go check it out. Azul. I don't know. What's the story with Azul? Volume 113,000, very low. Float very high, 95 million, up 17%. I don't know. It's barely moving. It's got resistance, obviously, at the higher day, but it's nowhere near there right now. I don't know. I don't know. Doubles. I don't know. You know. Let's see how NMHI is doing. Is it still on a downward trajectory? NMHI. Yeah. Head and shoulders pattern. It's breaking the downtrend. It's consolidating. Let's go and show the consolidation with the graffiti pencil. We got a little bit of consolidation in this area over here. We need to see this 9 EMA curl, and move towards the VWAP and break the VWAP. But it don't look like it's ready to cook just yet. Yeesh, it's not ready to cook just yet. Float 8 million, volume 66 million, 25 cent stock, currently up 82%, but it was up 122%. So you got to do better than that, NMHI, but we'll keep you on a side chart just in case you decide you want to work with us, okay? Okay. All right, let's see. What else we got? Let me at him, DBL Moms. Let me at him, Bushy Tail. Let me at him, RZLV. RZLV. Oh my, terrible top tail over here. It is generally trending upward on low volume, Doubles. Very low volume. Not really particularly schmexy. Not schmexy at all, I say. No, not schmexy. Forget about it. Forget it. You're not schmexy. It's not your fault, but it is you, not me. VIRI. Go to the 5-minute doubles. It was forming a pennant on the 5-minute doubles. And it's still maintaining itself above the bottom support of the pennant. But we need some more volume. Key level of resistance around 20 cents. That's where the VWAP is. We need to see it break through the VWAP and then break this resistance area of the top portion of the pennant to be schmexy. But the good news is it is holding above the bottom support line. DBL Moms, isn't that nice of it? It's very nice, very nice. Okay, back to Alice. Alice. No. You know what? I'm not gonna do Alice. I'm gonna do BPTH. BPTH. It the broke of the VWAP Doubles. Could we get a descending wedge bull reversal? Could we? We need some volume here to confirm that that's what we got. Let's do a little bit of wishful thinking. Can we get a little bit of a descending wedge bull reversal over here? Could we have the price action start to move above VWAP and keep on going? It looks like the 9 EMA is trying to curl up. Look, Doubles, look, I tell you, look. It's curling, Doubles, it's curling. That's encouraging, but it needs more volume. This is the 5-minute. Let's go to the 1-minute, Doubles. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's check the volume on this. Very low, 134,000. Float is 2.4 million. Volume is 24 million. So the volume is nice. The float's low. Like that. It has news. Biopath Holdings initiates development of a therapeutic program for treatment of obesity. 7 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Up 49%, Doubles. 49%. But it was up 76%. So, you need to stay above VWAP. We'll put you on a side chart, but don't misbehave. Don't misbehave, because I could leave you just like that. I have no qualms about it. No qualms, because you're, at the end of the day, you're just a stonk. Just a stonk. I don't have to be attached to you at the hip. No. ALCE.
No.
ALCE. All right. It broke down, Doubles. So this pennant was invalid. It was, in fact, a head and shoulders pattern, and it is pulling downward, and it's getting very sloppy, Doubles. Getting very sloppy, I tell you. Very sloppy. So it's pulling down, It's a bearish pattern at this point, very much so. I don't know. Not really attractive at this point. It looks very bad, actually. Let's get the graffiti pencil reactivated. We got the cabeza over here, which would be the head. We got an irregular shoulder over here. And we got another shoulder over here. And the price action's pulling down. We don't like that. That is a potential flush. It is trying to stay above the VWAP, which is at 33 cents. But this candle does not have a lot of volume, 25,000. And the overall vision of the 9 EMA is kind of sort of moving downward. So it looks like it might continue to pull downward. And again, you know what I really don't like about this stock right now, Doubles? I know it's the leading gainer, but what it did with this candle right here really, really scares me. I hate when these sudden drops happen. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. It makes me scared. I don't want to be scared. I want to have a nice morning. I want to have a nice green day, you know. And when you do flushies like that, I don't like it. Okay, so you're trying to break through the downtrend. You're on VWAP. I don't know. You're just not that exciting right now. I mean, I'm going to leave, okay? If you want to start moving, you better start doing it now. You know what I mean? You know? You better do it now.
Yeesh.
I'm going to leave right now. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Watch, I say I'm leaving, and maybe it might move. I don't know.
Might move.
I don't know. No, it's not going to move. It's bearish. It's bearish. It's bearish. Okay, let's see. What else we got? What else we got?
What else we got?
What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got a weird stock. A weird one up 36%. WW. Heavy float. Heavy float. What's the story? Weight Watchers. Oh, okay. Adds compounded GLP-1, expanding accessibility and affordability of weight loss medication. Interesting. Weight Watchers. But its float is 75 million. Volume only 748,000. They had news at 9 o'clock in the morning. They're under $1, 97 cents. Currently up 22 cents. And they did a bump. And they're kind of dumping right now. So, I don't know. Not my cup of tea. Not feeling it. Not feeling it. Viri. V-I-R-I. Yeah. Still in that pennant formation under 5-minute doubles.
5 minutes.
Yeesh. And it's still holding that bottom trend line. That's good. But it's having difficulty breaking the VWAP. We need to see it break the VWAP, but we need to see it stay above this trend line and then pick up volume and break through this resistance line of the upper part of the pennant to become schmexy. Right now, you're not schmexy, you're quasi-schmexy. Quasi, which means you're not schmexy. BPTH doubles. It keeps toying with the VWAP. We have that descending wedge doubles, which is a bull reversal. Bull reversal. So, yeah, we got descending wedge, bull reversal pattern. Not a lot of volume. We're looking at the 5-minute doubles. 5-minute candle is only showing 318,000 shares on this particular candle over here. It's really struggling to move. It is above VWAP, but it is not accelerating with any kind of enthusiasm. So, I don't know. I don't know. I'll keep an eye on you, but you're really not moving with any authority. So I can't respect that. I can't respect that unless you get some volume. OTRK.
OTRK.
Double top. Double top. Sub VWAP. Yeah, I know. I get it. You ran 102%, and I'm supposed to be impressed. Really? Right now you're a double top, and you're trending downward. So I don't know. Explain yourself. Don't make me explain myself. You got to explain yourself.
Explain yourself.
Yeah, you got to explain yourself. And same thing for you, ALCE. You're pulling downward. You're pulling downward a lot. Okay? All right? So, I don't know. Am I supposed to be impressed that you ran 140-something%? It's all about what have you done for me lately, folks.
What have you done for me lately?
Yeah, if you're not going to be impressive in front of the indelible pride, why am I showing you? You know what? I'm going to another stock. I don't care. That's it. That's it. That's it.
He's not even gonna get upset.
You're getting me upset.
He's getting upset.
You get me upset. I go somewhere else. You get me upset. Every day you come, you bother me. You know. You come in, you get the same 40. You give me $3. I give you 50 cents. But today you want to give me problems.
No. You gotta do it right.
I don't know. I don't know the joke.
You'll get the same freaking 40.
He didn't say freaking. He said
every day.
ucking. He said ucking.
Oh,
Ucking. Ucking.
No. We can still get demonetized. Anyway.
We're not monetized anyway.
We did.
You know, that sounds good, though.
It's
It's a good story.
The
Go
people
ahead.
going.
Let's go. Let's go. Do the
You
story.
get the same 40 every day. You give me $3, I give you 50 cents. You wanna give me problem, but today you wanna give me problem.
I love that guy, man. He was great. He was great. That was Rashad, right?
That was
Rashad. You say Rashad. You say Rashid. I say Rashad. It's all good. It's all good. He's a good cat. He was a good cat. He was funny. He was funny. He was funny. BPTH still trying to move upward ever so slowly. Has a history of flushing, though. This is what I'm concerned about. This stock has a history of flushing. Let's go a little bit longer term. Let's go a little bit, not that long. Let's go this long. Yeah, see how it pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see with BPTH. Float 2.4 million. I like that. Volume 24 million. I like that. Up only 48%. Pulled back. It was up a lot more than that earlier in the morning. Up 76%. Biopath Holdings initiates development of a therapeutic program for treatment of obesity. That seems to be like another flavor of the day, the obesity thing.
Yeah.
The Ozempic-like medication. The medication seems to be trending lately. Recent reverse splits from China. That was also trending. I don't know. It seems to be trending. But right now, this morning, I don't know. We do a show and all the stocks, they decide they don't want to run. I don't know. You give me problems. I don't know. Maybe we should offer them some espresso ice. You think the stocks will be okay with that? If we give them a little bit of espresso ice to give them a little pep in their step? I don't know. Just a thought. I'm just thinking out loud. Thinking out loud. Let's see. What else we got? Anything? Do we got anything? Give me something. How about SSY?
SSY.
It was on the scanner. I don't know. I'm not expecting much from it. Oh, no. No. That's disgusting. Embarrassing. Please, come on. Very. Still independent formation doubles. 5 minute.
5 minutes.
It's still maintaining support, still having difficulty breaking through the VWAP, but it does continue to trend upward on that bottom support line. Very, a 19-cent stock, currently up 39%. Float, 24 million. Volume, 28 million. There's not any news, really. There was a neutral recommendation issued on Viri by H.C. Wainwright, for whatever that's worth, at 7:15 in the morning. But that's about it. It just doesn't have a lot of volume. So, I don't know. ADTX, micro mini skirt float, in the house. This stock is very, very odd. You know, doubles, it's a weirdo. You know, it's like a low float stock. It doesn't need a lot of volume to run. But it just never seems to, I don't know. It doesn't do the right thing, No, I'm all about doing the right thing, ADTX. We need you to do something right. And you don't look like you got a lot of volume on your candles. 8,000 shares. This is supposed to impress me, ADTX? Forget about it. Okay, whatever. All right. Bushy tail. Let's go back to the Serengeti. ADTX is being a little disrespectful, a little bit. So I don't even want to be bothered. I don't want to be bothered. I don't want it.
You don't want it.
I don't want it. OTRX.
It's
OTRK.
Oh, OTRK?
Yeah.
OTRK.
Well, that's what I said.
You said OTRX.
Be quiet. It says OTRK right there. Look. Looka. Daily's in the house, ADTX. It's been on my watch screen for a week. Man, our shorts vacationing in it. I'm telling you, I don't know. I mean, with such a low float, you would think it would do a squeezy, nice and easy for everybody. But no. It just has to be like, I don't know, not cooperative, Anyhow, so OTRK runs up 102% early in the morning. And who called it? Who called it before it ran? Of course we did. In the Discord, there's a link in the description and the pinned comment for a 4-day trial for $1.99. Click it. Click it good, baby. Click it good. Take that trial. Go ahead. Let's do some sharing, folks. Let's get to 200 peoples. Let's go. 200 peoples. Anyway, OTRK had a high of 102%. 102%, but now it doesn't have any volume doubles, and it's barcoding. We don't like barcoding because it suggests a lack of liquidity, and then the paying attention to you right now. Nobody's paying attention to you now. Sad.
The big sad.
Yeesh. So, anyway, later. Bye. See you later. Ciao. Bye.
Ciao, ciao.
See you. Bye. Bye-bye. BPTH.
BPTH.
All right, you had the descending wedge. Let's put you on a 5-minute.
5 minutes.
Get you on the 5-minute. Let's do a zoom in the room, but you're having difficulty breaking through this VWAP. So you don't have a lot of volume. This is a 5-minute candle with only 41,000 shares. I don't know. How should I trust you? Why should I trust you? Why? Why? No. No. How about VMAR? On the scanner. What's the story with VMAR? No, this has got to be a reverse split.
Yeah, actually.
Looks like a reverse split.
Says so.
It looks like a reverse split. That's what we got to have. Reverse split on VMAR. 529. I don't know. I don't know. We'll come back and check out. Maybe not. I don't know. Like that, you know? Maybe. Buru. B-U-R-U in the house. Okay, so what's going on with Buru? Let's do a zoom in the room. We're looking at a 5-minute.
5 minutes.
It's trending downward, basically. Trending downward. Right over here. Right here. It needs to break that downtrend. I mean, maybe we could have a pennant over here, but it doesn't have a lot of volume, so I wouldn't really call it a pennant. And it's certainly below VWAP. Not impressive at all. I don't know. I mean, if it's going to be a pennant, it has to hold above this line, and it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's about ready to crash and break its head. So, forget about it. Alice. Let's go back to Alice. Alice, you broke my heart. The way you sold off. No. Downward trend off of this head and shoulders bear pattern. And look at these bottom wicks. You're sloppy. You sloppy, AMC. You're very sloppy. I don't trust you. BPTH is moving.
BPTH.
Ever so slightly. It broke the VWAP doubles. It broke the VWAP game, but it is a top tail. Let's look at it on the 1 minute.
1 minute.
We're looking at it on 1 minute, and that candle only has 255,000 shares. You can see that the RSI is in the middle, closer to the overbought area. The candles have diminished in size. This stock has a history of flusheroos. I don't know. It'll probably move, but it's moving kind of irregular at the moment. It needs volume doubles. It needs volume to maintain my attention. You know what I mean? NMHI ran early in the morning, and then it kind of fell apart. Let's go check it out. It's in a channel, doubles.
Yeesh.
It's in a channel with very low volume. It needs volume to curl upward. They did some liquidation on October 3rd. They had a public offering form filed on the 3rd. Float 8 million. Volume 67 million. 25-cent stock. Currently up 82%.
82%.
But they were up over 140%. So, meh. Right? Was this the one that was up a lot? Or was it 122%?
Yeah, it was 122.
122. Yeah. I don't know. IBG. Let's go check it out. Let's see what's going on with IBG. Oh, no. No. You're just selling off. What's wrong with you? Get yourself together. Go put some water on your face and wake up. Come on. Shake it off. Come on. Go walk in the backyard. Get some fresh air. What's going on here? What's going on here with the IBG? It no look good. No. How about Kindly? KDLY. Oh, it really is called Kindly. How funny is that? I was making fun of the name, but it is Kindly. Kindly MD Inc. Oh my, trending up. What's going on over here? Let's see. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Uptrend. A lot of top tails. We don't like the top tails doubles.
Like the bottom tails.
We want some bottom tails. Bottom tails. Bottom tails. Up 17%. Float 5.9 million. It doesn't have a lot of volume. There's your problem. There's the rub. 489,000. It announced a contract with United Healthcare Insurance, the largest healthcare insurer in the United States. That was at 9 o'clock in the morning, but it is falling apart as we speak and not maintaining the trend. So forget about it. Forget it. What are you trying to embarrass me? No, 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 no. Get out of here. Alice, the leading gainer that does not look too clean. It don't look too clean, but it broke the downtrend. It's trying to get through VWAP. It's trying to get through VWAP. It is. It is. So let's get rid of this downtrend. It broke it so far. So let's see if it can move on up. It's trying to hold support right above VWAP. VWAP's at 33 cents. 33 cents. Alice Alternus shares jump after it sheds $100 million of debt and payables for disposing subsidiaries. It's 33 cent stock, currently up 118%. This one went up over 140%, right? What was it, 146?
Yeah, it went 146, like straight out of the scan.
146% is where it was at.
Yeah.
Float 20 million, volume 33 million. It's got the story. It's got the story. But it also has candles that wick down pretty significantly and violently. So it's kind of scary. I gotta put my helmet on, my seatbelt, because it's a bumpy ride with this one. So we'll keep an eye on it. But it's trying, Doubles. You know what it's trying to do? I'm gonna tell you what it's trying to do. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated over here, Doubles. It's trying to do one of these joints right here. Look, 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 look. It's trying to do a descending wedge bull reversal, but it needs volume. It needs volume. It needs to stay above the trend line. And it's moving. It's moving ever so slightly. It needs volume. This particular candle, only 490,000, 500,000. Resistance at 34 cents. 34 cents. It's pushing. It's pushing. It's trying to bump. Do we get a round two? We're going to have some significant resistance at this level because this is where one of the irregular shoulders of the head and shoulders is at. The other irregular shoulders at the other resistance point at 36 cents. And then, of course, you have the resistance of all resistance at the high of day, 37.14. Let's see if it can hold above the VWAP. It is moving very slowly. There are a bunch of top tails. It has the story. It's got a float. It's a little bit on the heavier side, but it's only a 33-cent stock, so we forgive it for that. Volume, 34 million. Up 118%, but it was up 146%. So, it is the leading gainer. But it's kind of like sluggish. I don't know. I'm going to keep an eye on it, though, Doubles, you know?
Yes.
You know what I mean? I'm going to keep an eye on it. I don't trust it. I don't trust it because it did this early in the morning. You see this candle? This is the candle that upset me. It upset me. I got upset. I got very upset with this candle where it dropped suddenly. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm afraid of heights, you know. I am. I really am, Doubles. Yeah, I really, really, truly am. I don't like heights. I don't like ladders or anything like that. And it's not holding VWAP, so this is getting kind of boring. Getting boring. All right, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to wrap up the live stream here on social media. We're going to go to the Discord and continue the live streaming. And, of course, we monitor the microcaps in the Discord from 4 o'clock in the morning all the way until 8 o'clock in the evening. And, of course, we share our strategies for buying, finding, and trading the parabolic runners. And nobody monitors as much as we do. Nobody. So the link's in the description and in the pinned comment to do a 4-day trial in the Discord. See it for yourself with your own eyes. It's $1.99 for 4 days of the Discord, and you'll have access to all the early alerts on the stocks as well. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, could you kindly do what this young man says, please?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded, and remember to share.
Because sharing's caring, Doubles, and it helps the stream grow, and if the stream grows, we can get more content out to you. So yes, please do that. And of course, if you're not following us on X.com, we put a lot of content on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money,
At Coach Nick Money.
at Coach Nick Money, and of course, we're on Twitch at Coach Nick Money,
At Coach Nick Money.
Facebook and Instagram at Coach Nick Money,
At Coach Nick Money.
at Coach Nick Money, and of course, we're also on the TikTok at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Make a lot of money, because I am Coach Nick Money with the indelible one,
DBL Nicks.
aka
Ringmaker.
with a degree in Bangernomics from...
Big Bang College.
And I got a degree in Bangernomics myself.
Yes, from
At Bang U University. BUU. BUU. And then, the one, the only, the Serengeti specialist, the bushy-tailed one. You know who she is. She's constantly getting the stonks on the Serengeti. We like to call her DBL Moms. There she is. Can you give us a row? There you go. That's terrifying. Terrifying, I tell you. All right, folks. We're going to leave you as ALCE starts to pump its way up. All right. Love you. Love you very much. See you